I remember what I want to remember. I remember only good things, exciting things, adventurous things. I only talk about adventures, inventions, places to go, trees, cats, singing, how I like to sing, what I like to sing about. Anyone who wants to keep bringing up my past can go fuck themselves. Because I don't give a fuck. I don't. If it bothers you, keep it moving. There's a lot of individuals that don't give a fuck about my past, baby. I don't care what I've done in the past. Matter of fact, I love what I've done. I love everything about me. Everything about me. I love me. There's nothing anyone can say that's gonna make me not love myself. So quit bringing up past events. Trying to play with my mind, being a manipulator. I don't want to hear it. If you don't want to be around it, be around someone else. Because I can too. I can find, be found, love, love, and love. Because I love myself. I remember what I want to remember. That's what keeps me on high vibration. Don't try to bring me down by trying to remind me of something that I don't want to hear or that really has nothing to do with me. That's you and your insecurities. Because if I can remember correctly, you drove me to many of those places. You rode with me, sweetheart. So get off your high little horse. You think I manipulated you? You manipulated me. It takes two, baby, not one.